So this is the Mfiles client. Mfiles is metadata-based information management solution, which means that you can find data based on what it is, and you don't have to know where it is. Example, which customer or project the document relates. This mind view is divided to different parts to help user to access their documents as easily as possible. User can create views for personal use only, or there can be common views for all users. Like here, I have created this customer's view, which shows all customers in this vault. There are some examples like OMC Corporation, and as you can see, customers include all the data related to this specific customer. For example, those documents. I'm going to show you this project plan. One of the greatest things with Mfiles is workflows that can be used to automate processes. For example, send assignments or ensure that a contract goes through certain steps and people. Workflows include states, right here, in which these tasks can be defined. Like example, this project plan uses this example workflow, and it's now waiting for approval state. Another useful feature of Mfiles is that you can easily manage the version of the document. I'm going to show you the version history. Every time you make some changes to document, Mfiles creates a new version of it. So if needed, you can always roll back to the old version or check what kind of changes someone has done and who has done those changes. Then there is OMC contract document, which is already signed document. It is a multi-file document, so it contains that Word file and PDF file. I have built that solution that way that Mfiles saves original Word file and creates PDF file where signatures are. This VIDsigner integration uses specifically those workflows and states. Like you see, this contract is signed state. There's also another examples in here. Toy group customer. There is document. Okay, if the user does not sign the document before the expiration date of the signature, it automatically moves to the expired state in the VIDsigner workflow. When a document expires, it enters the expired state in the workflow and is also removed from the VIDsigner. And there is another example. If user rejects this document in VIDsigner, it goes to rejected state in this workflow. Let's take a closer look of that OMC contract. When we want to send documents for signing from Mfiles, we need to fill some information like who we want to sign that document. Signer is our own object in Mfiles that contains basic info that what we need, like name, signature type, and so on. In this solution, we place the signature based on the anchor text. I have created some templates which allows us to go through the signature process. We can use this agreement template, like you see in here preview tab. There isn't much information, basically some text and a placeholder for signer. Mfiles can fill automatically the signer information when we fill that info on the metadata code. We don't want to change that template, so we are creating a new document from this template and fill needed information. Okay. Choose Maria Brink. This signer is using remote, if I remember right. Okay, email and SMS, yes. Okay, I have filled all the needed information, so there is a right workflow for this document, and I just click create. And it opens Word, and as we see, Mfiles has filled automatically the signer info here. But we don't need to make any changes, so we just close that document. And let's see here, Upton Group. I think it's there now. Yes. There is all the information what we need, so I just sent it to VIDsigner now. And now I will go to my email. Here's the agreement. Okay, now I have signed it, so Mfiles will return that signed document back to the vault. Currently, Mfiles is set to poll signed documents every 2 minutes, so the document should return to the vault in a moment. Okay, now we see the document is signed status and state, and here is that signature.